Welcome home, everyone. We are talking about affordable housing while living here in America. And what is our theme song? Living in America. And what do I always say? The rent is too doggone high. Too doggone high for most of Americans. So I created this community trying to prevent and reduce homelessness one person at a time. And as I always say, it starts right here with us, guys. So I ask you, when I give you this information, that you spread it, pass the baton, you share the love, you share the housing. You give to someone else that needs housing information. All right. I created this community just for that. All right. So a lot of people need housing. We talk affordable housing on this channel. Usually on Sundays and Mondays, we talk Section 8 housing. Today, we're going to talk about the state of Georgia, subscriber requests, and we're going to talk about housing choice vouchers, project-based vouchers, public housing. I ask you to do your due diligence before placing yourselves on any open waiting list. Make sure that the units and surroundings will fit your family. Although we know these days public housing, project-based housing may not be your grandparents' housing what it once was in some cities, all right? But just do your due diligence, guys. And let me know in the comments where your family and friends are, where you are interested in moving to, so I can start working on that, where you are, right? Where the homeless communities are that you are going to help, all right? Starting off, we have a project-based voucher. It is open until January the 2nd, 2026. It is in DeKalb County, Stearns senior residents, guys. Please let your seniors know they want to be independent for as long as possible. All right, Brunswick, Georgia has a housing choice voucher. They have preferences, though. It is for the employed, the disabled, and the seniors. All right, another Section 8 housing choice voucher is in Glenn County, Georgia. No preferences are confirmed as far as I'm concerned. I don't see any. So that is Glenn County, Georgia. We like those. Why? Because they are portable. Once you have them a year, you can transfer them to another county, another state that will accept the voucher. All right, in Athens Housing Authority, we have public housing. We also have the Housing Authority of Sonola Public Housing. We have Housing Authority of the County of Atkinson Public Housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Alamo Public Housing for the employed, the disabled, and the seniors. Also, public housing at the Housing Authority of the City of Barnesville. That's what I said, for the disabled and the seniors. Housing Authority of the City of Ellijay, public housing. All right, Housing Authority of the City of Rochelle, public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Homerville, public housing. The Housing Authority of Loganville, public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Lafayette, however you say it. I know up north we say Lafayette, down south we say Lafayette. Public housing for the disabled, seniors, and families with children, guys. Let your families know, please. The Housing Authority of the City of Ocilla, Ocilla, has public housing for the employed only. And the Housing Authority of the City of Fort Gaines has public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Pearson, public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Edson, public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Abbeville, public housing. City of Louisville, Georgia, public housing. City of Somerville, public housing. The City of Sylvania, public housing. The City of Social Circle, public housing. The City of Washington, guys, public housing. The Housing Authority of the County of Shreven, Screven, public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Glennsville, public housing for the displaced and the disabled. The Housing Authority of the City of Hahira, public housing. Hahira, Haira, guys. The Housing Authority of the City of Hogansville, public housing, who it's for, the employed, the displaced, the homeless, and the locals. The Housing Authority of the City of Blackshear, public housing. The Housing Authority of the City of Monticello, public housing. The City of Cuthbert, public housing. The City of Greenville, public housing. The City of Roberta, public housing. And the Housing Authority of the City of Reedsville, public housing. The City of Grantville, public housing. Who it's for, who they are preferencing are the locals, the homeless, the displaced, and the employed. All right. Project-based voucher throughout Georgia. Contact your housing authorities. It's called project-based rental assistance for the veterans, the homeless, the disabled, the displaced, and the locals. Housing Authority of the City of Ringgold, public housing. Housing Authority of the City of Sparta, public housing. City of Chatsworth, public housing. City of Fort Valley, public housing. The City of Alma, public housing. The City of Blue Ridge, public housing. The City of Jasper, public housing. The City of Sandersville, public housing. The City of Housing Authority of Millsgaville, Millsgeville. The Housing City Authority, City of Colquitt, public housing for the employed. The Housing Authority of the City of Tennille, public housing. City of Glenwood, public housing for the disabled and the seniors, guys. The Housing Authority of the City of Madison, public housing. The Housing Authority City of Union Point, public housing for the employed, the disabled, and the seniors, all right? The Housing Authority of the City of Metter for the employed and the displaced, public housing. Housing Authority of Monroe, public housing. The City of Hawkinsville, public housing. The City of Adale, public housing. The City of Ashburn, public housing. The City of Winnsboro, public housing. City of Quitman, public housing. The City of Cairo, public housing. Cairo, Cairo, for the disabled, the displaced, the employed, and the seniors. The Housing Authority of the City of Hartwell, public housing. City of Eastman, public housing. City of Cochran, public housing for the employed and the seniors. The City of Toccoa, public housing for the locals only. The City of Elberton, public housing for the employed and the homeless. The City of Nashville, Georgia, public housing. The City of Baxley, Baxley, public housing. And the City of Eatonton for the locals only, public housing. That's Eatonton. City of Fitzgerald, public housing. Dublin Housing Authority, public housing. Housing Authority of the City of Dawson, public housing. City of Cordell, public housing. Moultrie Housing Authority, public housing. City of Waycross, public housing. City of Cedarton, public housing for the employed, the displaced, and the disabled. Albany Housing Authority, public housing for the employed, the seniors, the veterans, the disabled, the displaced, and the homeless. Let your homeless know. The Housing Authority of the City of Arlington, public housing. The City of Statesboro, public housing for the employed. The City of Swainsboro, public housing. The City of Cave Spring, public housing. City of Lee, public housing for the homeless, the seniors, the disabled, displaced, and the veterans. City of Dansville, public housing. The City of Buchanan, public housing. The City of Lyons, public housing. The City of Stewart, public housing. The City of Clayton, public housing. City of Nichols, public housing. Doe Run Housing Authority, public housing. Housing Authority, City of Newton, public housing. And the City of Manchester, public housing. Rose of Sharon, Sustainable, Fairwood, and the Veranda, project-based voucher. City of Tifton Public Housing, City of Sylvester Public Housing for the employed only. Valdosta Housing Authority Public Housing. Hello, Valdosta. City of Pelham Public Housing for the employed. The City of Tauspoosa Public Housing for the employed. City of Camilla Public Housing. City of Livonia Public Housing. Northwest Georgia Housing Authority Public Housing. For the seniors, Alexis Park Apartments has 1 and 2 bedrooms available. Families with children and the locals, there's a project-based voucher at Northside Apartments, Eastside Apartments, Scatter Sites in Americus, Georgia, Andersonville, Georgia, Plains, Georgia, and Leslie, Georgia. Crawford, Georgia, Public Housing. Canton Housing Authority Public Housing for the veterans, the displaced, the disabled, and the employed. Supportive Housing Community-Based Assistance has a project-based voucher. Senior Community-Based Assistance, project-based voucher. For the veterans, guys, Freedom's Path Apartments, 1 and 2. And Housing Authority of the City of Shellman Public Housing. Northeast Georgia Housing Authority Public Housing for the locals only. Tri-City Housing Authority Public Housing. Southeast Consolidated Housing Public Housing. Flint Area Consolidated Public Housing for the displaced, the homeless, and the locals. The Housing Authority of the City of Nahunta, Nahunta, for the employed and the locals, public housing. City of Bremen Public Housing. City of Thomaston Public Housing. The City of McKaysville Public Housing. And the Housing Authority of the City of Sopperton Public Housing for the displaced only. Housing Authority of the City of Mount Vernon Public Housing. And the Housing Authority of the City of Franklin Public Housing. There is a lot of housing here, guys, in Georgia. Make sure you pass it to your homeless communities, your families, and friends who you know need affordable housing. And I will see you next time. I love you so much. Be well and be safe.